Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you this gorgeous style, so if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm just going to start by parting my hair. I'll part this hair into 3 sections, guys. So I'll part my hair from ear to ear, in a straight line. Just try to make it as straight as possible, guys. When I'm done, I'm just going to use my scrunchie just to secure the hair that I already parted in the front, because I want to part my hair first before I start my styling. I know, guys, my hair is the true definition of the Faux hair, girl, but don't worry, we're gonna sleek this down, okay? I'm using my scrunchie right there just to secure the front, and then I'll continue with parting the rest of the back. Using my Eco Styling Gel. Hey, I love this gel, guys, and I'll be using my Diana brush just to make sure this is nice and all the way slicked down. I'm using my detangling brush that I got from Amazon. Okay, sis. Anyway, so I'm just taking the gel and applying it generously onto my hair. This Faux hair gotta sleek down, girl. It gotta sleek all the way down, okay? Anyway, so I'm just applying, I like to section my hair a little bit and apply in between, and then that way it's nice and sleek, as sleek as it can get, for this Faux hair. We try to sleek this down. We try to look all kinds of cute, okay, sis? Just gonna sleek down the rest of the parts. Make sure you're adding enough gel as you go along, guys, because you want this to be nice and sleek, okay? So yeah, Faux hair is really hard to sleek down, but we try. And you gotta be patient with your hair, girl. You gotta be patient with your hair. But this Diana brush that I got from the beauty supply does the job, okay? So I'm just gonna sleek the whole hair, guys. I'm not doing any edges because the style, you won't be able to check out my edges or anything. So I'm just making sure I sleek everything all the way down, guys. The front, I want it to come all the way closer to my forehead, so I'm just going to sleek that closer to my forehead as possible, and secure it with the scrunchie. Alright guys, so when I'm done slicking the hair down, I'm just going to use my strips. I got these strips from Amazon. Oh my gosh, you guys, you need to just call me Tupo, aka Miss Amazon, or whatever. And I'm using this Cuban twist double strand hair that I got from the beauty supply. I'll cut the hair into 2, and then I would just take 7 pieces from each color. So I'm taking 7 pieces from the black, and then I'm also taking 7 pieces from the 27. So together, like making it 14. You can make them as much as you want, but I wanted that kind of fullness, and I'm just securing it with scrunchie right there. So I'm taking 2 of the scrunchies and placing them on one of the sections that I made. So the first one will be going to the front, and then the second one will be going to the back, guys. I'm just going to align the first one first, making sure it's nice and straight. And I wanted the colors to be like very noticeable, so I'm not like mixing them together, guys. So you're just going to start by folding and then tucking the hair in. So the front one, it's going towards my forehead. I'm just going to fold it and tuck it in. And then I'm using some bobby pins to secure it. So this is the whole concept: fold, tuck, and bobby pins, okay? So it is so easy to do, guys. I like how it came out. I like how everything turned out in this style, guys. And the next one is just folding and tacking it on the opposite direction, guys. So it's like the first one is coming to my front, to my forehead right there, and then the next one is going back to the other section that I have. That way you will not be able to tell where the sections are ending. Okay, guys, so I'll place the two again on the back, the second one on the second section. You know, I'm having like a zigzag or like a horizontal kind of look. Like over here I have black, and then I have the 27, and then I have the black on 27. You know what I'm saying? So you guys, I'm sure you guys can get it by just looking at it. You can just rock this style at a wedding. You can rock this as a bride, girl. I'm telling you. Like, you can have, if you wanted just a color like a black or whatever, you can rock this and you will be good to go. Make sure you fold and tuck it and use some bobby pins. That's it. And I love this style, guys, because it is so cute, so easy. And the fact that this Cuban hair looks like my hair is like a plastic. This style is just fold tuck bobby pins. You're gonna have to use as many bobby pins as you can just to make sure it's nice and secure. Girl, we don't want to be walking around and then your style is just flying out of the way. You know. So you can rock this. You can keep this in for a week. I'm sure. Like, girl, this is really, really cute. And the fact that you can do it by yourself, you don't even have to go anywhere. That's the beauty of it all, guys. I decided to do black, just all black on the back, just how I preferred it to be, but you know, you can add the color as well. Yeah, girl. And you're just gonna adjust it with your hands just to make sure everything is nice and adjusted. And that's about it. Oh my gosh, girl, I think this style came out so cute, guys. I really like this style, guys. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys like it as much as I do. I just added on some accessories, you know, some earrings. I got on a gold dress. You know, I'm trying to see if I can like push the sleeves down to see if it turns out beautiful without the sleeves. Or, you know, just putting the sleeves back up, you know, on my shoulders. And it's really nice. You can rock it in different colors. I'm in love with this. Like, I can do as well like a burgundy. I don't know, maybe next time I'll try like a burgundy, you know. But right now I'm into 27 and 30. I don't know why, girl. I just feel like the colors are really coming out on my skin tone. So I really love this. Give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, girl. Have you subscribed to my channel yet? Thank you guys so much for watching. Get your girl to 50K. We are still on it. We are on it. We are going over there. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.